All right, welcome back to the BodyFix PT YouTube channel. Today what we're going to talk about is some ankle mobility. I've been sitting around a lot the last few days, and so my ankles are starting to feel really tight, and that can play a big role in anything you do. Walking, jogging, squatting, lunging, really anything. If your ankles feel tight, it's good to loosen them up. So what I'm going to do is do about 2 exercises here. The first one is going to be ankle circles, really controlled articular rotation, so we're kind of moving that ankle through full range. And then the next one we're going to do is just kind of a banded ankle distraction. So the first one, I'm going to come over to a wall. This works really good. You can kind of lean up against the wall like so. Put your ankle behind you, your big toe on the ground, and then you're going to do clockwise and counterclockwise circles, trying to keep that toe from moving. So you don't want to be moving your whole leg around, but that toe is going to stay planted. Okay, we're going to do 10 clockwise and then 10 counterclockwise. For me, I'm getting some clicking into this, and that's okay as long as it's not painful. And then I'm going to stop, switch legs, I'm going to do the other leg. I'm going to do 10 each way. Now if this is something for you that is really, like me, I do it 2 or 3 times a day when my ankles are feeling tight. It just helps loosen them up. I definitely do this before any exercise. And then the next one I'm going to do is I have this little band here. It's attached to my door. Okay, I'm going to get some tension on. I'm going to keep that band down around the ankle. Right? So it's right there. And I'm going to get into a half kneeling position. So one knee's on the ground, one foot's up. And I'm just going to rock, trying to keep that heel down. I'm going to come forward and back, forward and back. I'm going to do that about 10 to 20 times, depending on how it feels. Then I'm going to do my other leg. And then the last thing that I do is I go right up to the wall, put my foot on it like so, at an angle. I just lean in, get a little bit of a calf stretch. Hold that for 20 to 30 seconds. Then I do the other side. Again, 20 to 30 seconds. And then we are all done. And that should help loosen up your ankles before you squat or run or lunge or walk. Good luck.